Alright guys, I'm doing a review of the Snack Factory Pretzel Crisps. Check this out. I got these on sale. These are original. It's a big bag. And as you can see, non-GMO, all that basic stuff. Let's flip it around. There is the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And we can open this up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so that's what it looks like, guys. Check this out. Nice and flat. Basically flat pretzels. And let's go quick taste test. Taste-wise, they're actually pretty good. And because they're flat, you can use them as dip and things like that. So it's actually kind of neat. Tastes like a regular pretzel, but it's really crispy though. So yeah, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.